Hi, this is Aranyaka, a wildlife intelligence pipeline. So the feature and idea of this website is the researchers come in and upload their camera trap photos, and the system classifies the species and gets back the structured biodiversity records, which they can browse, filter, and review through multiple pages on our website and through the dashboard I've made. Uh, I'll log in through my Google account using Google OAuth. Cool. So this authorization helps that everything is scope per user and we have row level security. And on the same deployment, no two people can see each other's data. This is the initial landing page. The user can drag an image and pick the classifier from the drop down. I'll use Google's VIT based ImageNet. Uh, This is the alternate model for SpeciesNet. I'll just upload two simple, very clear images of an eagle and a tiger. And below you can see we have the polling started in queue. Cool. Both of the inference has returned on. We'll check the results, and we see the classifiers correctly identified the images as a bald eagle and a tiger. We'll again go back and we'll put like actual real camera trapped images. Let's put all three of them. So this is the batch processing. It happens really quickly because I've hot loaded it right now. Uh, the front end post all three, the upload service, the observation service, and the inference worker in the background. They go parallelly, and we can view the results of what they look like. Cool. So the classifier has identified this image as an Egyptian cat, this is a puma, and this is a gazelle. Any confidence score below 60 requires a human review, which we can go to the review page and then put in what do we feel about the image, and we can manually label these images. The census is a dashboard through our Postgres database, and it kind of gives you the top 10 most recorded species, the confidence distribution across your observations. And if we feel like the observation has been, the confidence score has been on a lower side, we can always go in and change the model at our homepage. Uh, Talking about the architecture and uh, the technical side, this is running the whole project runs three services: an upload service which receives the image, validates it, stores in Superbase's private bucket, and then pushes the job onto Redis. Then we have an inference worker, which is a salary consumer that picks that job out of Redis and calls the Hugging Face inference API, and then post the results. The observation service is where the database comes in. We have create, read, and even post if we want to review and put in the manual labels. And then we have filtering the analytics through this. So the project uses multiple services to host this. I have used all services deployed on Render. So Render offers free tier for at least web services, but I had a paid plan for a background worker which does the inference, which was I think $7 a month. And the Redis gateway has been hosted on Upstash, and this is also the free tier that it provides. Uh, Overall, I think the asynchronous process and the parallel jobs run very well. And to even ensure hot load, I have added a GitHub workflow that keeps these services hot. and ensures that any user who comes in does not have to wait for a cold reboot, because render on a free tier goes offline, and the deployment does not start until it is triggered. So that'll be all. I hope you guys like the demo.